Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power steering, trip odometer, child safety locks, tachometer, daytime running lights, electronic brake force distribution, braking assist, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.